Hey guys, and welcome to Bloom Joy Baskets. My name is Olga, and today in my little workshop we're gonna be creating a birthday gift set for 3-year-old boy. His name is Daniel. Happy birthday, Daniel! Z dniem narodzenia! I hope he's gonna like our creation. Let's get to work. Here we go. This is what we're working with today. Fancy outfits, car, bunch of small details, whatever, we'll check what we can fit. And for the color of the basket, I think we're gonna go with this one, because then his mom can use it for home. Maybe collect his toys, maybe to put something aside, or maybe just for the household. That's pretty cool. Okay, let's get to work, build the frame.
Let's get started.
Lucky me, Mr. Soren is here. Oops. Ow. Lucky me, Mr. Soren is here. He just helped me to cut the sticks. I have to just mount them and make sure it's secured well. Here we go. Okay, sticks, zip ties and glue gun. You ask me why I'm doing it on the floor? Because my cord is too short for that, so whatever we have. Okay, we have to secure also on top of the frame, so that way our hangers is not gonna slide down. Here we go. After some hard work, our frame is ready. Basket almost ready. We have to still secure, make sure it's nice and aesthetic and looks beautiful. Okay, here we go. Our frame is ready. Our cushion is ready. Now we will style the basket and see how it's gonna be looking. I got some hangers from Target so we can put some clothes. Yep, so excited. I hope it's gonna be a super cute basket and the birthday boy is gonna love it. Let me know in the comments if you like the creation what we made today. Long sleeve. Set. I don't know how I'm gonna put the shorts. Probably we can put them together somehow. Something like this, hanging style. It looks perfect. The basket is full of stylish outfits, books, toys, and also some interactive stickers and stuff like this. Pretty cool for 3 years old. Yes, how cute it is. Look at this. Space puzzle, racing cars, alphabet, number, letters, books, stickers. We got some hiding bubbles here. One combo outfit, long sleeve shirt, one more combo outfit, another one with the lion and stylish t-shirt. Look at that. So cute. And of course, we didn't forget about basket. Okay, so we are done with styling. Now the time of the plastic decoration and the last touch-ups for this one. So that's gonna be the finish line and we're gonna be almost done. Okay, you probably wondering why am I doing this on the floor? Because the plastic is large, the table is too small, it's much easier to at least unwrap, measure and put together right there. Don't worry, the floor is sanitized clean, the door is closed, that's why this is the office of Bloomjoy Baskets. I'm very picky about this work. Yay, so cute! Wow guys, just look at this huge birthday creation. Pretty impressive, right? Thank you so much for staying with me on this basket build. Once again, Daniel, happy birthday from Auntie Olga and Auntie Marcella and Bloomjoy Baskets. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, if you made it so far, please don't forget to like, subscribe and follow us for more custom builds. We'll see you on the next one. Bye!